Hey guys, start this airdrop on your Telegram. After starting it, try to join all the whole group right here. Read all the whole instruction you are given right there. After joining, you click on continue. Okay, I've done all of these stuffs. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you guys through on how you can do some other stuff. So right here, they are going to request that you should submit at least. You should click on that submit details. Okay, so what you're going to do is click right there. So next thing, they would want you to go on here, to confirm that you've joined all this group right here. I've done all of that, so you have to do it from your own side as well. Get on your Telegram. When you get on your Telegram, click on the button that you have that is written settings that you are seeing on my right hand side. When you get there, try to narrow to username. So and you copy this link right here around your username. So after doing that, then you should get back on the OkB airdrop bot. So which is down here. Okay, so then what you want to do is to paste that link right there. That's your username link. The reason why I'm getting this is because I want to give them a clickable link so they can easily get access to do what? To verify me that, okay, this username is actually real. So since it's a Telegram bot. So the next thing right here is that they are asking that you should follow them on Twitter and all of that. All of these stuffs, I may not have time to follow them because I don't have no Twitter account. So what you're going to do is to click on the Twitter account, click on the two links right there that they are asking you to click on. But don't forget, you may not want to follow them. But the reason why we are clicking on the link is so they can get, I don't know if they have something like a trackable stuff to track if we are clicking on the link. So there's every possibility for that. So just click on the link. So as you are clicking on the link, what we're actually trying to do is that we want to we want to give them confirmation that, okay, someone clicked on this link. Okay, yes. So but we are not going to follow them. So you do same thing on the other link as well. So this is more like trying to be smart. But if you have a Twitter, then you would want to follow them. But at this point, I don't want to do that because, as you can see, I have no Twitter account. But I strongly believe that I am going to as well get the airdrop, right? So that is it. So you can do the same thing if you don't want to go all the way trying to get and create an account. So after that, I'm just trying to make sure that I've clicked on all of them. So we have 10 days to claim this airdrop, and after 10 days I think no one will have access to claiming it anymore. Okay, they won't respond to you. So after that, click on done. Okay, yeah, when you click on done, they will send you this contract address. So this contract address, you have to copy it. Okay, yes, and make sure you have a trust wallet. So OkB token is worth about $45. Okay, so you don't want to miss out on an airdrop. So make sure you copy the contract address right there. You can see the way I'm doing it. So okay, so now after copying it, I want to extract and just get the contract address. So contract address is like a special domain or address which we can use to get access to a particular token on the Trust wallet. Okay, so it gives you the token address which you can use to add that stuff into your Trust wallet, so you can be seeing the token and as well be seeing the price and as well the amount of the token which you have, if that's good enough. So that's it. So right now I'm trying to search for my Trust wallet. So I'm getting on here right now. Okay, this is on my Trust wallet. So you have to click on that place. I just marked every stuff for you guys. Follow the direction. So when you click on there, hold on, let me click on it. When you click on there, you will get to this page. So what you want to do is to paste the contract address. Okay, yeah, when you paste the contract address, you see something like this on your Trust wallet. If you don't have any Trust wallet account, try to create one. So we are going to click on add custom tokens. Okay, then we are right here. So we want to click on paste. So right now we have it because this token is on Ethereum blockchain. So you click on save. Okay, up there, you can see that right there. Okay, so that's it. Click up there on save, and we are done. So that's it. You can see that the coin is worth about $55. Next thing you want to do is to click on receive, okay? And you click on copy. So when you click on that copy right there, okay, we are going to paste this address right here that's on Telegram right there. So we come on here and paste this address right there to them. Okay, the reason why we are pasting it is that whenever After 10 days, when they start the distribution, we are going to get our own token distribute, like given to us on our through this address, and with that we can get a token on our trust wallet. So below here you are going to see your referral link. Share this to 5 people to be so you can be eligible to withdraw your token. Right here you can click on withdraw and withdraw your token, and when you click on it, they're going to tell you that the token is going to be getting distributed after I think 48 hours or stuff. Okay, so you have to be patient or stuff. So make sure you use the opportunity to get more people to use your referral link, and with that you can make free money. So that's what we teach right here. So don't forget to follow me on here. Follow me on TikTok, Renigo Crypto FX. On YouTube you can use the same name, okay, or just type Renigo Crypto. You're going to see me everywhere. And let me know what you think about this. And right here you can see options. You can click on withdraw, balance, and see everything right here. Try to explore and try to get more people. So if you're interested in trading forex and as well trading crypto, so you want to do that with me, so try to join my Telegram group, okay, and from there you can get access to my WhatsApp group as well. I share signals right there, and you want to be making money. So that's it. I'm doing these crypto airdrops just part-time, just because of you guys, and as well because I need to show you guys what's happening in the crypto space so you can get to make more money. So catch you right there. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my socials. I only use TikTok and as well YouTube.